How to register TradeHunter AI trading. Visit the homepage TradeHunter. Click on the Sign Up button. Fill in registration details. Enter your desired username. Provide your email address. Choose a secure password. Make sure it includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Enter the password again in the Confirm Password field to ensure accuracy. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Optionally, input a referral code or use a referral link you received from our partner. Complete the CAPTCHA verification. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Sign Up button to submit your registration details. After clicking the registration button, a notification will appear confirming that your registration was successful. Check your email inbox for a verification email. Click on the verification link or button in the email to verify your account. After clicking the verification link, you'll receive confirmation that your account has been successfully verified. Click on Sign In. Enter your registered email address and password. Complete the CAPTCHA verification. Click on Sign In to access your newly registered account. After successfully registering your account with the partner, you can proceed to log in to the AI Trading Tools account. Open Page Trading AI. Enter your registered email address and password that are the same as your partner account. Click on Sign In to access your AI Trading Tools account. Once logged in, you can start exploring and utilizing the various AI-powered trading tools available on the platform.